Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to implement click-to-WhatsApp ads on social media. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Click-to-WhatsApp ads are the most effective ads that appear on the homepage of your audience in Instagram and Facebook. They can tap on your ad and start chatting with your business. In order to implement this ad, open your WhatsApp business and then tap on the Tools option down below. Now tap on Advertise. Tap on Choose Another Media. Here, you can either select one of the products of your catalog or you can upload another photo or video from your gallery. For now, I will upload from gallery. Tap on Upload Photo or Video and then choose Photos. Now tap on the image you want to upload and then tap on the tick button. Your ad will appear on social medias this way. You can type description down below. Once it's done, tap on Next. Now you can change the targeted age group. You can choose your audience here. You can also change the region where your ad should appear by tapping on Regional and then type your region name. One other important thing is to add interests. Adding interest will narrow down your audience to what you think is similar to your product by typing the keyword here. This will ensure your ads only appear to relevant people. Now scroll down and change the gender of your targeted audience. You can also check this box if your ad is about finance, employment, or other works that involve government work. Now that everything is done, tap on Next. Now here, you can select your advertising budget on the basis of daily budget and how many days your ad should run. You can also see the number of impressions your ad can make on the social media. You can increase or decrease your budget. Once it is set, tap on Next. Now this is your overall receipt. You can change your payment method by tapping on the change next to the MasterCard and enter a new card detail of your choice. Once everything is done, tap on Create Ad and your ad will start airing. It's that simple. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.